How to fix automatic brightness increase on Instagram on Android. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem of brightness automatically increasing on Instagram. So firstly, on your device, open settings. In settings, you will see different options like this. Scroll down and search for the option display. Inside display, there are various options like this. If you scroll to the top, then right below your brightness level, you should see an option called adaptive brightness. Make sure that this option is turned off. If this option is turned on, then the brightness will get automatically adjusted, which means that it will automatically increase. Now go back to settings main page and scroll down. Tap on the apps option and search for Instagram app. Open app info and tap on permissions. Inside permission, you should see an option called camera. Disable or click on don't allow on this option. This will stop stories from increasing brightness but disables camera use within Instagram. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.